In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to pay with your N26 virtual card, making your transactions seamless and straightforward. Whether you're shopping in a store or online, using your N26 virtual card is a convenient way to pay without needing your physical card. Let's dive into the process, starting with accessing your N26 app. First, open the N26 app on your phone. This app is your hub for managing your finances, and accessing your virtual card is no exception. Once you have the app open, look for the cards section located at the bottom of your screen. This is where you'll find all your card options, both virtual and physical. Next, select your virtual card from the list. This step is crucial because it differentiates your virtual card from any other cards you might have. Once you have your virtual card selected, you'll see an option to add to Apple Wallet if you're using an iPhone, or add to Google Wallet for Android users. Tap on this option to integrate your virtual card into your phone's wallet. This means your card is now stored digitally, ready for use whenever you need it. To pay in-store, you'll need to open your wallet app on your phone and select your N26 virtual card. This is essentially the same as pulling out a physical card, but it's all digital. Once you've selected your card, you'll need to authenticate the payment. Depending on your device, you can do this using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This security measure ensures that only you can authorize payments with your card. After authenticating, hold your phone near the payment terminal. This allows you to complete the transaction using contactless payment technology, which is not only quick but also hygienic as it minimizes physical contact. For online purchases, the process is just as simple. At the checkout page, enter your virtual card details just like you would with any debit or credit card. You'll find these details in the N26 app under the virtual card section. Fill in the required fields and your transaction will be processed as usual. And there you have it. That's how to pay with your N26 virtual card. It's a convenient and secure way to manage your payments, whether in-store or online, all at the tap of a screen. Thanks for watching and happy spending.